Hey guys, so sorry I'm not getting that video out last week. I came down with the flu. I've got my IoT home automation project on hold at the moment. I've got to order some parts from China. I'm waiting for them to show up. So what I've got today is a gas forge from devil-forge.com. It is the DFPROF-1, I think is the name of it. It's run $237 on their site here. So basically it's a knife maker's forge. It's capable of getting up to forge welding temperature. It just showed up today, so we're going to go ahead and set that up and see how that runs. Go ahead and do a test run with it real quick. I noticed that in looking at it, the inside of the forge is not lined with any castable refractory. It's just the cable, so we'll have to go ahead and coat that. But we'll go ahead and do a test run with it with the cable exposed just to give it a run and see. So let's get on that. Go ahead and pull this out, see what we got here. So we got a gas regulator. Open that up. Got some gas line. Got the torch here. So here's the torch. Looks nicely made. The air cut off here. Can't see all the way down in there. Yeah, I got a little pinhole in this tube here, so I got that indexed and lined up right. Let's see what else I got here. Got a ball of KO wool, it looks like. I got the forge, and got a block to go on the bottom of the forge. So let's go ahead and unpack this stuff here, see what it looks like. Fire brick. Alright, get that unpacked. Got a little tiny hole in the center here. There we go. Looks pretty nice. Dump all the loose fibers out of there. KO wool is exposed, so I may have to put some Castolite or something on there. Looks like they did a pretty nice job. So this fire brick will sit down in the bottom of this. Not really something you want to be breathing. I just want to slide down and try to turn it this way. Pack it in a little bit. There we go. I got that fire brick sitting right nice and pretty. This torch will bolt in up here. Here's our propane hose. We'll clamp on, I think that goes direct on here, but I want to double check. Here's our regulator. And then this will fit in here and go here. And these are left-hand thread as well. So we can torque those down. This will go into the propane tank. They're going to hook it straight up. Has a European gauge. Okay, it looks like the forge is supposed to extend into the insulation a little bit here. So I've got this set. It actually looks like these bolts are going to have to clamp against the edge of this because the nozzle needs to stick down a little bit farther than it is. You have to double check inside and make sure that you're lined up properly. So here we have the forge all set up now. I got the fire brick in here. I've got the insulation around the torch inlet. We've got the torch recessed about half the width of the insulation there. I have the propane hose hooked up. It's going down to the regulator, which is plugged into my tank. I've got it set up to run at about a little over 1.5 pounds of pressure. I've got the air choked off here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to light it up, and then I'll adjust the airflow and we'll see how it runs. I've got the propane turned on already. I'm going to light it with this torch here. There we go. Dial that down a little bit, add a little air to it. So you can see I don't have any castable refractory on it yet. I will be adding that. I just wanted to test fire and make sure it works here first. It looks like we're good. Adjust the flame here by unscrewing this air intake. I may need to put a needle valve on this. This ball valve is a little coarse. Looks like it works. I got this half-inch bolt here. I'm going to throw it and see how long it takes to turn it around hot. There we go. Guess I didn't get it quite hot enough to reignite the propane. If you just turn it on. Yeah, just cools the brick off. So cool. Nice, a success. I will be doing some videos with some forging some knives and such with this. Future. Looks like that brick is kicking out some steam out the back. You can probably see that. The cloud was right over in this area here. You see it coming up in the center of the forge right around here and coming off on this area. So that brick probably has some water in it. I'll probably have to dry it out. But yeah, looks good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead, like, subscribe if you want to motivate me to make more of these. Thanks, I'll catch you later.